Alright, welcome back to Fixing with Friends. So today we're back working on the snowblower. I'm going to see if I can get it started today. I'm not doing this live because that was a bit of a pain last time, and there's not really a reason to, given there's only a couple dozen subscribers, which is fine, but it just doesn't make sense to go through the effort since you can watch it this way regardless. So yeah, I'm going to do a bit of a time lapse putting some of it back together. Now that the carburetor is empty, I'm going to add some new fuel, see if that gets it started. If it does, I'm going to forego the next step. Otherwise, I'm going to be adding some engine restore to try and bring the compression back up. If that helps, fantastic. If not, it's not a very big expense to give it a try. And also, it should improve the longevity of the engine anyway. Alright, let's get started. So yeah, it was the damn gas.